You are going to love the 2019 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.